Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter. The chapter is geometry. Children, geometry means using the pencil and to draw it. Okay. In this geometry, we have to learn some points so that it will make you easy for you to understand and to solve the problems of geometry. Okay, here we comes. Just see, I am saying the screen. The first one is your point, P-O-I-N-T, point. Means to point someone, to find the exact person. If I say you, hey, just see, who is that? That means I am pointing to that person. Okay, like that way in this geometry, a point is an exact location. Exact location we can able to identify. You must have seen in a Google map, the small dot is been there. That small dot is a point. That point is there to show the exact location. Okay, same as in this chapter also, the point means the exact location, is then exact location. The fine dot represent a point. It is represented by this dot. As we are seeing in Google map, for finding any places, or if you are going anywhere, we are finding the small dot which shows you where you are. That is a point. Okay, our next is your line. What is line? Line is an endless straight line or straight path that extend in both the direction. In both the direction it will be extended. Just see, it is represented by an arrow symbol. Just see, A, B, both sides. देखो इला arrow symbol दिया गया ना. That means it doesn't end. The line doesn't end. Just see, if I draw a line like this way with an arrow mark, this shows that it doesn't have any end point, which is a line. Okay, line shows that only. Okay, next comes to your line segment. A line segment is a straight path with two endpoints. Over here we can have the two endpoints and we can able to measure its length also. Okay, we can measure it the length from point A to point B. And over here in line we cannot measure it. Because why we cannot measure it? Because it has no end, no starting point, no ending point. That's why line we cannot measure it, but line segment we can measure. Why? Because it has an two end point. Okay, it is denoted by, just see, AB bar. This bar denotes it has an end point. Just see, if I say about the line segment, AB, ऊपर देखो arrow mark, both the side given. Okay, don't be confused regarding line and line segment. Line अलग होता है, line segment अलग होता है. Line segment having a two end points and line doesn't have any end points. Okay, next comes to your ray. In ray we having a one end points and another one is an endless points. It doesn't have any end point. Just see, here having A having a point and B is a C. It is going on continue with the arrow mark is given. No, it is continuing. So we cannot measure this one. It has a starting point but no ending point, so I cannot measure it. Okay, so it is denoted by AB arrow mark. So we cannot measure this one. It has a starting point but no ending point, so I cannot measure it. Okay, so it is denoted by a b arrow mark, single arrow is given, that is called as your ray. In geometry we are saying as a ray. Got it? Next comes to your curve. What is curve? A figure traced out with the help of the sharp edge of a pencil without lifting the pencil are called as your curve. Let us see. I have done over here one curve, over here also one curve. So these are the curves we can say. Okay, just see, is it straight? No, it is a U shape. It is an semicircle shape. Just see, half is given. It is a curve, we can see it is a curve. Okay, now next is your open curve and closed curve, or you can say as your open figure and closed figure. Open figure means it will be open, now no side will be closed. Okay, and closed figure is a figure which all the sides will be closed. Just see the example I have shown over here in closed figure. Just see, this is a closed figure, this is also closed. Okay, this is also closed. There is no gap. Just see, you can see that there is no gap in between it. Just see, this is closed. Okay, now you will see that, now you will say that what is open curve or open figure. Just see, I have done over here. देखो यहाँ पर open have we attached, this is called as open. Over here just see, देखो I have taken this one and I have ended over here. The gap is over here or not? This is a open curve. Over here also it doesn't completed, or it has not joined over here, so it is an open curve. This one is your also an open figure. Okay, so always remember these all are the closed figure and these all are the open figure. Okay, next comes to your simple closed figure. Simple closed curve figure means that it doesn't have any intersecting line, you can say. Okay, so see, a closed figure which does not intersect itself is called as a simple closed curve. It will not intersect, that's like this way. See, it will not intersect. Okay, just see the figure I have already shown you. This one as oval, this is a triangle, this is an rectangle, and this is an what? Parallelogram, you can say. Okay, so these figures are called as your simple closed figure. Why? It doesn't have any intersecting point. Intersecting point means like this. Let's see, it has intersecting, the line is being intersect. Okay, so over here are you finding anything over here? No. So these all are called as your simple closed figure. Got it? So children, here I have taken two examples. Let's see. First one is given as we have to measure this one. Okay, the question will be coming, measure the following line segment and fill in the blanks. Just see, this line has been given. How much is the line segment? We have to write over here. Like this also it has given, and we have to find the line segment CD. For that, what we have to take? We have to take the ruler. Okay, one end we will be putting the 0. You can see over here 0 is there, yes or no? Just see, yes. I will put it over here. It is starting from here and ending here. Just see how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just see, this is your 7 centimeter length. So I will be writing over here 7 centimeter. Okay, like this way over here also I will be doing. I will start from 0 and I will measure this one. Just see how much it is coming. I think it is coming 4 point. देखो, just see over here, don't be confused, just see as I am doing, you have to do in that manner only. I will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will see that 4 and 5, one blank in the middle, one long line is given. This is your 4.5. between 4 to 5, 4 से 5 के अंदर 10 डिवीजन है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू काउंट 1. दिस मीन्स 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. दिस लॉन्ग वन इज योर 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9. let's see, it is ending in 4.9. so what will write over here? We write 4.9 centimeter. Got it? Next comes draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter 8 millimeter. How will you draw? Just see, I have taken the scale. Okay, yes children, you can see that 6.8 millimeter. Just see, I will start it from 0. what I will do, I will start from 0. just see, okay, 0 is here. I will straight line till 6.5, 6, 7, 8. over here it will end. So from 0 to 6.8 we have drawn a line. Next is your 7.5. what I will take? Same thing, I will be taking, I will starting from here, from 0. I will draw line till 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. just see, this here comes your 7.5. what I am going to do, you have to give a name. just see, as I am given the name over here AB, you can write over here CD or any other name you can write it, doesn't matter what. okay, like this way you have to do exercise 56. okay, the question has been given to you, you have to practice it. Understood? In the evening class we will be discussing. Till then, bye bye.